Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up recurring payments using your card safely, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official website or app of that service. Look for the payment or subscription section within their platform. Create an account if you don't already have one. Ensure that you use a strong and unique password for your account. Once logged in, navigate to the subscription options. Select the plan that meets your needs. Click on the button to proceed to payment. You may be asked to provide your payment details. Input your card number, expiration date, and security code carefully. Double-check the card information for accuracy. Consider utilizing a virtual card or payment service for added security. Review the terms and conditions associated with the recurring payment. Look for any options allowing you to set the frequency of payments. Confirm that billing will be automated as agreed. Provide any additional personal information if prompted, such as your billing address. Ensure the service has strong privacy policies for your data protection. Look for a confirmation page after submitting your payment information. Write down or save the confirmation number for future reference. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message regarding your subscription. Regularly monitor your bank statements for any unauthorized transactions. Be prepared to review the service regularly to ensure it continues to meet your needs. To cancel the service later, return to the subscription management section on the website or app. Follow the necessary steps to terminate your recurring payments. Always safeguard your personal and financial information online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.